Hey there, Ben Lipper here. First robot of the season. Go ahead and check out Over Center. Now, if you're looking at this robot and you're thinking, hey, that looks really cool, I want more details on that, or I want to build something like this, there's a link underneath this video. You can go ahead and check it out. And basically click it, enter your email address. I'll send you a bunch of pictures on how this robot's built, kind of some of the keys that I use to construct it. Now, this robot's fascinating. When the game first came out, my first thought was, oh, easy. We're going to need a big arm that goes over our head, just like this guy has. However, what I didn't see coming was the intake. I thought that we were going to be able to use a tray, and then I thought we were going to be able to use a claw. Turns out that this intake has something special about it. And the way that it works is basically it spins these flaps, and then it pulls the beanbags up a ramp. And that seems to be really the most effective way that I have found. I've tested like 5 different ways to pick them up. This seems like it's the best way to pick it up. So, like I said before, if this is something you're interested in, you like pictures of this robot, or even just more details on it, go ahead, click the link underneath this video. It'll ask for your email address. Just type that in, and I will send you an email with a bunch of pictures of how this robot's built and a bunch of details about it. So, use these as inspiration. Make it your own. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead, like and subscribe, and I cannot wait to see what you build this year.